Hello everybody, today I'm doing minor scales, all minor scales for every grade across the board. Please look at my major scales video first, the one that talks about writing major scales for all grades. It's a generic video for major scales and it covers every single major scale. This is a similar system for minor scales. So I'm going to show you how the major key line works, and then I'm going to add the minor. So for your major key line, you can start with this rhyme. Fat cat goes down and eats bread. You must be able to say it backwards. Bread eats and down goes cat's fat. Or Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Battle ends and down goes Charles's father. That's the one that I've heard most often. And what you do is you take this rhyme, you now repeat the rhyme on this side, but you add sharps. You take the C and you put it there. So look what's happened, you've done that. Now you take the rhyme and you write the rhyme backwards. Bread eats and down goes cat, and you can stop at C. And now you draw a line down the middle of this at C major with no sharps and flats, and you number these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what I've done in effect is just take the key line and draw it out in a straight line as opposed to in a circle. And there you have all your majors and all your major keys with the amount of sharps and flats. Sharps go this way, flats go this way. Now I'm going to add the minor key line to this. So this is major. What I do is I come here to A flat major and I write the same rhyme. I simply take this entire thing and I displace it and I put it here. Fat cat goes down and eats bread. And I take the entire thing and I move it again like I've done at the top, and I start it again. Fat cat goes down and, but I put sharps in front of the letters, and I take this rhyme again and I write it backwards. I take that and I put it here. Bread eats and, or battle ends and there you have the entire major key line with all the relative minors. There are certainly different ways of doing this, but I like for the pupil to see it on paper. I think that theory is a graphic attainment. It's a graphic thing. You are writing and you are counting on the lines, and you are spatially trying to solve problems sometimes, as in intervals. You're actually counting spatially on the stave, and I like them to see it so they don't have to memorize it. They simply write this out. It takes about, I can do it in about 35 seconds. Most of my pupils can do it in under a minute. So 1 minute of your exam time will be taken on writing this on your paper. Before you go into the exam, you have all the majors, all the minors, and how many sharps and flats they have. Right. The next part of this is to take the same rhyme and use it as a second function. Please go watch my other video on majors. But you use the same rhyme, and the second function of this rhyme is to find the order of sharps and flats. Sharps go this way, flats go this way. And here is the order of sharps and the order of flats going the other way. 6, 7. So you have this rhyme, you use it to construct a major key line. You use it to construct a major key line, and then its second function is to help you find the order. So let's do a minor scale. I'm going to do it in treble clef just for to make it easy. Let's do E minor. So you know you're going to do E minor. You come and have a look at your key line. You see that E minor has 1 sharp. You find the tonic. Your first step is always to write the notes in. Then your second step is to say how many sharps or flats does E minor have. The sharps on this side, it has 1 sharp. Now, what sharp is it? You go to your order, sharps go this way, it is F. So you write the F in. But in a harmonic minor scale, you have one additional step. So there are now 4 steps. And that additional step is to raise your 7th note. So major scales, 3 steps. Write your notes, find the key, find the order. Harmonic minor scales, 4 steps. Write your notes, get the key signature, find the order, raise the 7th. Okay, that's harmonic minor scales. Let's try this with a melodic minor scale. Let's stick with E minor. Melodic minor scales always have another component where you go up and down, and the scale is one way up and a different way down. Right. First step, write your note. Second step, find the key. Third step, find the order. The key is a relative major of E minor is G. It has 1 sharp. The order is here in the second function. You take the sharp, you put it in on the place where it belongs, and then in a melodic minor scale, you raise the 6th note and raise the 7th note, and you make sure that they are restored on their way down. And that's the melodic minor scale. I will make another video on melodic minor scales, but this is basically to show you how simple it is to do all of your minors at once. So basically, if you understand the concept, you don't have to ever do major scales again in the next grade. You certainly know one system that covers all of the scales. You write out a major key line, you write out a minor key line. The next step is to have the order of sharps and flats, and then you simply follow a process. Major scales, 3 steps. Write your notes, find the key signature, and find the order. And on a minor, same process. At first, write your notes, find the key signature, find the order, and last step on a harmonic minor scale is to raise the 7th, and then of course on the melodic minor you raise the 6th and 7 and restore them on the way down. Okay.